I'm Nick Turkay. I'm the Director of Engineering at Cobalt, leading our customer experience teams. So Cobalt is a pen test as a service PTAS platform, and we modernize traditional pen testing by combining our SaaS platform with an exclusive community of pen testers. And our opportunity is to make Cobalt the new pen testing standard and free the security and development teams from the pains of legacy testing. Yeah, we recognize that integrations play a major role in helping our customers scale their pen test programs and effectively manage pen test data across a myriad of tools and workflows. So starting around the beginning of 2021, I was tasked with building an integrations team to address this growing need of our customers and to gain a stronger foothold in the connected SDLC security ecosystem. And our customers employ a very diverse set of tooling, and we know that there is value in getting the Cobalt pen test data across these tools. And given we can't boil the ocean, we needed a solution that could allow us to easily spin up simple integrations to satisfy the demand from our customers without devoting too many engineering resources. Yeah, as I was doing research, I discovered the iPass category, and we wanted to test and trial integrations with customers before fully building them into the platform. One of our core integrations today is ticketing solutions. So Jira, ServiceNow, GitHub, Asana, and Workato supports many, many more. So the initial use case was at Cobalt, we built a native Jira integration into our platform. And this took quite a while to build on our own, and then it takes a lot more time for maintenance and different things that you're seeing in a customer environment. And so we knew that if we were going to support other ticketing systems similar to Jira, like those that I mentioned, we really should investigate iPaaS solutions like Workato. The other large platform that we looked at was Tray.io. We considered Zapier. I think Zapier is not a slam dunk for the enterprise space in the way that you have to manage your integrations as like a publisher, and then having your customer also needing to have a Zapier account. And then when looking at Tray.io versus Workato, one of the biggest things I was drawn to was, the security of the Workato platform and just kind of how prepared the documentation was on that front. We're a security company. This was really important. So the compliance and also just the embedded solution. It stood out as light years away from being able to, as part of the demo that I first received, being able to see all of these different integrations that you could turn on and configure them without really putting our customers don't necessarily know that they're using Workato whenever they're using configuring this inside Cobalt. So that was something that really stood out to me as unique. So I think, yeah, our mission to launch integrations, to scale integration, is to not have our customers have to think about another tool. So Workato has like 3 different ways that you can work with it. The embedded offering enables you to do that. And I didn't see that level of customization inside of Tray. We're now down to the point where we can spin up an integration in roughly 2 weeks from learning which tool they need to use, for instance, Asana, and pulling that data from our API and sort of doing some transforms in Workato and then pushing that into Asana. So this is significant compared to a whole team working on our Jira integration that taking upwards of a year, and then again the maintenance costs. So there's the impact on the cost to build, but there's also if we look at the business impact. We launched this public API, or Cobalt public API, and this enables our customers to create their own integrations, but often they need a little bit of encouragement, and Workato helps us with that. So there's a storyline. We have a recently released ROI of modern pen testing. So when you look at kind of this phase of pen testing, the remediation phase, this is where you take the tickets inside of your pen test report and the recommendations, and you put those inside of a ticketing solution like Jira. Then there's triaging and prioritizing and assigning the work to be done. So we looked at this, and generally this leads to 16 hours of work needed for this phase when we talk with our customers and sort of from their experience with a traditional consultancy. And the same panel that we talked with estimated about 8 hours needed for the same with PTAS. So that savings in this workflow for our customers on each pen test was 50%, 8 hours, but 50% each time. So why this big difference? This is the most tedious and error-prone task in this phase, is converting those findings or recommendations into tickets. And when the job is performed manually, someone has to copy and paste that information, screenshots from static PDF reports, emails, text messages from pen testers, and all of this, and then make sure that that gets back into Jira in the right ticket. So with the Cobalt API, using Workato, we can send pen test results and recommendations to tickets and issue tracking systems and automatically format them correctly into actionable entries. So like I said, Jira is one use case, and with the help of Workato, we have the ability to scale this, cut the time required on our end to quickly meet our customers in their environments. Yeah, I definitely would recommend Workato. I think the team has been super responsive, really proactive, and making sure that we got access to all the information that we needed. There's like even like an education component where you watch videos and take like little courses. So a few of the people on our team did that. I did that. That was really helpful. I think pre-sales, the team showed up big time to prove out what Workato could do.